This is the Bluffside project. Look at the cut on that block. That's how it should be done, but unfortunately, usually you don't see that done. You see a big gap on the outside edge and then fill it with mortar or wedges of block or something like that. But this is the proper way to make an angle like this with the block. What I really want to show you today is we're working on our ponding areas. So you can see this area here is a low area filled with cobble, black plastic, black 6mm plastic underneath it. And then this will pick up water from any water that runs down the side yard right through here. And then it'll come down into here. Then we'll also have this drain pipe will be capped off for now. These two drains in the back will pick up water. We have a low spot in here, so we're going to make those active, and they'll be down below the gravel that will be in this area with different plants planted in the gravel. And here off the back side of the wall, what we're also doing is putting a little pond, a depression, in front of each of our drain pipes back here, and then running cobble on top of the slope just to help with erosion control. I really don't think there's ever going to be any issues back here, but you know, just for safety's sake, I guess, to prevent any erosion from occurring back here, we're going ahead and we're taking care of it. And you can see back over here, we have good slope coming away from the house, coming down. Nice split face CMU wall here as a termination point for our landscaping that comes up here. Water will run around this corner right here, so we have cobble in here. We'll bring it out a little bit further through here. Then back over here we have another ponding area that we're putting together that will pick up water coming from the front of the house. We'll run some cobble below it a little bit too to help with any erosion as this pond overflows and then goes over the top. We have a natural arroyo right here that we'll put the water into. Underneath our canales on the house itself, you can see that we have our depressions already made, and then these little swales will have black plastic and cobble placed into them too. So if we come around to the front of the house, you can see we're working our grade. We have good negative slope coming from where the driveway area is going to be, essentially where that dumpster's sitting right now. This that's Alfonso, my backhoe operator. So we'll probably put plating on this upper part of the slope. This lower part, the swale, will be cobble. There's where my courtyard drains, is right there where the hose is coming through. And then I'll have a turnaround pad on the driveway. The driveway right up through here. A little sidewalk that comes over and meets my brick right here. And we'll have a slope coming off of the driveway that we will allow water to go that way off the drive, and then we'll bring water back this way off the drive. This will be a sidewalk through here that will be slightly depressed in the center of it to pick up this water we bring off the driveway, direct it back through here. I'll pick up water here off of the 3 canales that I have on this side of the house. That'll drop down onto the sidewalk. The sidewalk here will come out essentially even with this point right here, angle over to my stoop, and then from here we'll put more cobble that will take that water where we want it to go, which is going to be back down to the 2 active drains that we have over there. So we're taking care of water control today, which really is not difficult to do. Actually, you can see along here there'll be about a 4-inch drop from the front of my sidewalk to the back of my sidewalk, back over here. That'll get the water out of here nicely. Back along this area here, we really won't get a lot of water right through here, but we'll probably go ahead and put like a 7/8 aggregate brown gravel through here just for decorative purposes. So this is really getting towards the end of the project here once we begin doing this type of work. You can see the cobble we're using right here. It is a they call it a 2 to 4 inch broken aggregate Santa Fe tan, but it's more of a 4 to 6 inch size aggregate. So we'll take some more pictures as this moves along.